A very good day to you people. My name is Mohit Manuja of QualityLessons.net and welcome to part 2. Uh, Before explaining part 2, I would like to inform you that I've just made some addition. I've appended the jQuery code a little bit and made the change to the button. Now it's a proper text toggle button. So the first time it shows you show answer as the content of the button. Click again, it says reset question. Right? So this wasn't happening in part 1. So I just had to make, add this bit of code. Basically an if conditional which says that if the text of the button is show answer, 3 equal to's means that same type, same content is show answer. Then first get the text of the button, check if it is show answer. If it is show answer, then set it to reset question, else set it to show answer. So this is an if condition that I've added just now. Yes, obviously this looks so much better than what it used to look. Okay, guys, I will not be touching the jQuery, nor will I be touching the HTML, which is very pretty plain, simple, straightforward. Okay, it's just a question which is encapsulated in span tags, and if the question is or rather these are answers. If the answer is wrong, then we have a class of wrong attached to that, and if it's right, then we have a class of right attached to that answer, and all the answers are actually encapsulated in span tags, and we have appropriately BR tags at several places to push in line breaks, and we have a button tag in the end. Right, that's very simple. I'm gonna straight away destroy somewhat the CSS and recreate the CSS for you, so you understand how this actually works. Okay, so let's see how I created these linear gradients. I'm gonna destroy this completely. Okay, and I'm gonna destroy these 2 lines completely. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one single line. I might forget this hex code, so I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna destroy all this. Okay, so whatever code I have lost, I'm gonna recreate for you. So I'm gonna use some code, I'm gonna lose some code as always, and whatever code I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna recreate for you. Okay, let's save it. You see, since whatever is right, guess the background linear gradient. This is the format, guys. To right. To right means from left to right. This is the modern syntax, guys. I'm not using window prefixes like dash, mos dash, dash o dash, dash ms dash, which you may want to include, but I'm just keeping things plain, simple, vanilla. But you should be including window prefixes whenever necessary. Okay, so you can see answer number 4 has this light green background color. That's because of the linear gradient to right. You can see that I've actually not made any change. The linear gradient remains the same, and that's exactly how I want it. You would argue that what was the need to have a linear gradient then if both the colors had to be the same? The point is, the background size property was not working if I was not keeping a linear gradient. I was just keeping a background color, simple plain color. So let's say background color green, then the background size property wouldn't fire. And for me to make it fire or execute, I had to keep it in this format, in the linear gradient format. Okay, I tried just keeping background green, but then, as I said, the background size property, which controls the size of the background, was not coming into action. Okay, so let's start. Let's see how I create the red dashed lines, which I can make thicker, thinner as I would want. Okay, so let's do that. Again, BGI. background image. Now this is how you create a linear gradient. Okay, then you gotta say linear gradient, right? And then we're gonna start with the transparent, the transparent color is gonna go up to, let's say, a 45%. Okay, and then we're gonna start. These are color stops, guys. Okay, when you don't specify any direction, as the way we have specified out here, it means from top to bottom, not left to right. Okay, and we can specify in terms of pixels or percentages, which is absolutely okay. And then I'm gonna say red going up to. You can see the changes as they happen out here, guys. And then I'm gonna say red going up to red starting from a 45% and going up to a 55%. Okay, and then transparent again, starting from a 55% and going up to 100%. Okay, very simple, isn't it? So you get the line. Struck. You got those answers struck now. Okay, very simple. And then I'm gonna use the background size property. So BGS, is it? Yeah, background size. This controls the background size. Even before that, I want to use the background repeat. I don't want my linear gradients to repeat. So should it be BGR tab? The editor. It's an online editor. CodePen.io has Emmet inbuilt. Emmet allows you to code very quick, the way I'm actually doing, just pressing tab from time to time. Pressing certain keystrokes and press tab. And okay, background repeat. No repeat is how I actually want it. And background size. Yep. So along the x and the y axis, horizontal as well as vertical. So as far as horizontal is concerned, 0%. So see, that just kills it, takes away everything. And then vertically 100%, no change. Okay, so if this was let's say a 20%, you would see 20% of the line. See out here, keeping it 0. So basically horizontally just crushing it, vertically just keeping it the same. But since there's no horizontal show, the vertical won't show up. Okay, I'm going to copy these two lines exactly the way they are and push them down below out here, affecting the right answers too. Alright, so you can see whatever green you could see out here has also disappeared. And now I'm gonna just pick up this line. Just give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna paste it out here. Checker. What's checker? Where did this checker come from? Just give me a sec. I'm just wondering where this checker comes. Okay, toggleClass checker. Right. And yep. So here I'm saying bring the horizontal. See, we had collapsed it horizontally and now we are resetting it. So bring the full width back. Okay. Now I'm wondering, why am I able to see all this? Okay, right, now it's fine. Background size 100%, 100%. So whatever you had crunched, undo it. Background size 100%, 100%. And then the transition property. Again, I'm not using vendor prefixes, and I would want to use the transition on all properties. The only property that's getting transitioned is the background size. I can simply safely use all out here over 0.5 seconds or half a second. Let's make it 1 second so that you can see it a lot easier. Okay, and that's it. That should be it. Okay, see that? Slowly goes from the left to the right. And just to make it even more easier to see, using the in HTML, just wanna increase the size of the lines widthwise, so you can just makes it more dramatic, makes it more easier for you to see the stuff. Okay, the lines are a little wider now, and so makes it easier for you to see the effect. Okay, so basically what is happening, I'm toggling class the checker. So background size, which was originally 0%, 100% horizontal vertical, is now 100%, 100% horizontal vertical along the x and the y axis. Okay, so simply altering the linear gradient. So these green shade, this green shade, this red line is nothing but linear gradients with different directions. This is from left to right, and this is from top to bottom. That's the default. If you don't specify the direction, it's always top to bottom. Okay, so when you click on this button which has a class of answer, see button with a class of answer dot click method, fire a function. Both wrong right should toggle the class checker. And checker says take the background size from 0% to 100% and do a transition for 1 second or half a second or whatever you want. Okay, then we toggle the button text. If this dot text is show answer, make it reset answer, else make it show answer. So that's helping you toggle the button text. So very simple, so very effective, and so very beautiful. You can create a quiz with, let's say, 4 or 5 answers, keep a show answer button, and yep, so create a very simple solution to a quiz. So guys, I hope you found this information very useful. As it is, you have a very good day. Bye bye. Peace.